Hi everyone, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite makeup products. And the good thing is pretty much all of these products are extremely affordable. Most of them you can find at the drugstore, or I usually get a lot of these off of Amazon. All of these makeup items that I'm going to show you, I have them in this cute little makeup bag that I got on Amazon, and this actually is not going to be my bag. I bought this as a gift. If you're wondering why my background looks different, it's because I'm on vacation in another country. And if you want to know where I am, where all we're going, and to see what all fun things that we're doing here, just follow me on Instagram and I will leave that down below so that you know how to reach me there. Every product that I share with you today, I will also link it down below in that description box. So just click on the show more or click that little arrow on the right and it will open up a whole description box and show you all of these products that I am talking about. I know some people can't figure out where I'm putting the products, but that's what I mean when I say in the description box. But in this bag, I have a ton of my favorite makeup products, and I have them all sitting out here because I'm going to show you guys all of them. But I got this on Amazon, and of course I will link this down below also. They have all different bags, but this was a good one. It's water resistant, and actually let me just show you the inside because I don't have the makeup in it right now. It just has this zipper here, and the inside of the bag I got some makeup brushes. I'll just show you these first because I'm not going to be using these. But these are just some really good affordable, and they're really good quality. Let me just take one out. I hate taking these brushes out since I'm going to give them as a gift. Let me see if it'll focus in so you can see how soft these makeup brushes are. These I think are a really good deal, but they're really good quality. And there were actually 2 more brushes that came in this kit, but I didn't put them in here because I didn't think that she would use all those. And look how pretty this marble handle is. So I thought that was really cute. But anyways, this actually is a Velcro. See how it just Velcros on and off? And then you have all this space in here, these nice little pockets. And then of course, I mean, look at how much room you have in here. And it's waterproof. So if you sit it in the bathroom when you're traveling or whatever and it gets wet, you don't have to worry about your products inside getting wet. So what I'm going to show you today is the makeup that I'm putting inside here, and I'm going to show you how pretty it is and why I want to give it away as a gift. So the very first product I put in here, I really like this one, but this is the Benefit Professional Primer. I don't always wear primers, and another video I shared, my new favorite primer is the Revlon primer because it's a primer and a sunscreen, but I had this sample so I thought I would just throw it in just in case she wanted to put a primer on. This product right here is the It Cosmetics CC Cream. This one is the most expensive out of everything. Everything else is stuff that you can just get at the drugstore, but I wanted to give her this as a gift because I know this is her shade, and over here where we are in South America, there are no makeup stores or anything like that. You might be lucky if you find like a L'Oreal eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna pop up the price. I saw this L'Oreal palette in the pharmacy the other day, but it's like 50 bucks or 55 bucks. I forget what it was when I did the conversion of pesos to dollars. So stuff here is really expensive. So something you might find in the United States for $10 might be $40 or $50 here. This is the one that I brought for myself, and this is the one I'm going to apply today. Since it's wintertime right now, I wear the shade medium, and I really like how this applies. It gives me a nice, beautiful sheer coat. It also has an SPF 50 sunscreen, but of course, if you've watched any of my videos, you'll know that I say do not rely on sunscreen that's in your makeup. So I do have a generous layer of sunscreen on my face already, and it's had time to soak in. So you can probably tell my melasma is getting a little bit darker. I don't want to completely cover it up because then I feel like I just look like a cake face. So even though I do have, you know, imperfections on my skin, I still like to do just maybe about 1 pump, 1.5 pumps of this product. And then I just shear it out with one of these blending sponges. Now, I know that this looks like a beauty blender, but it's not. I get these on Amazon, you guys. These are so inexpensive. It comes in this bag. There was 5 of them in here. This color, and then this color, I'm gonna give her this one. And there was a yellow one, but my yellow one's dirty. But these were like maybe $8 for 5 of these. They're like the highest rated on Amazon for the blending sponges. These are a total dupe for the beauty blenders, and honestly I like these better than beauty blenders. So if you're looking to get some blending sponges, because you know I like to change mine out pretty often, if you're looking for some good blending sponges, I think you will really like these. For under eye concealer, I got her this Maybelline Age Rewind, and I got it in the shade Brightener because I wasn't really sure what shade to get her for a concealer, but I thought she could just put a little bit underneath her eyes to brighten up, you know, any dark circles, and that's the same shade that I'm gonna apply today as well. So you can just either apply it like this. I like to just kind of go where the dark circles are, these little bags right here, or you can put some on your finger and then do it that way, but this is quicker for me. And it just has like a light peachy color, so if you're not wanting to put a bunch of makeup on, but you just want to kind of hide the darkness underneath your eyes, this peachy color and the shade Brightener, it just brightens up the under eye area. And I might just put a little bit more on. And by the way, this is not my normal filming camera. This was a new camera I got to vlog. So this is the first time I'm really using it, so I really don't know what the quality will look like or if it keeps me in focus, or I feel like when I look at it in this little viewfinder on there, I feel like it shows my skin a little bit better than my other one, which my other one is a lot more expensive than this. So I don't know, I'll know when I go to edit it, but I feel like you can see more, you know, my nooks and crannies, and kind of looks more real life, so you can see up close and personal. Now, I don't always set my makeup, but I did get her a face powder just so that she could lightly set it, and I wanted to make sure I got one that didn't have a bunch of crazy ingredients. And I really liked this one by NYX because it just has silica in it, which, you know, Makeup Forever and a lot of the other high-end ones have just silica, even I think one by maybe Tarte. And so why spend all that money if you can just get an affordable one by NYX? I should have gotten her this one that I absolutely love. I wasn't even thinking about it, but you can get this at Target. It's hardly ever there, but I usually just get it on Amazon or directly off their website. But this is the Bio Brightener Invisible Powder, and this is a clean beauty brand, and I just love this. So if you have an issue with getting like milia or something like this underneath your eyes, this is a great powder to set your under eye area. I like the ingredients, and I just really love what it does to my skin. I also got her my favorite blush. This one's by Burt's Bees. This is called Shy Pink, and this is the same one that I'm about to apply. For bronzer, I got her one of my absolute favorite drugstore bronzers. This is by Maybelline. It's the City Bronzer, and I got her the shade 200, the same one that I'm gonna put on. And I also got her my favorite highlighter. This is by Essence. I mean, you guys, all of these products, except for the foundation, they're just super, super affordable. But this is such a beautiful highlighter. This is perfect for mature skin. It doesn't give you that in-your-face, beaming, wet, sparkly look glow. It just gives you a beautiful lit from within, really natural looking glow. For eyeshadow primer, I got her this Milani eyeshadow primer that is my absolute favorite. So this is the one that I'm gonna put on. This one to me is better than any high-end eyeshadow primer that I have yet tried. For eyeshadow, I got her two of my all-time favorites. This is called Nude Awakening, and this is the one that I'm gonna put on today. And this one is, I don't know the name of it, but I'll look it up. If you want to see how pretty this one is, I will link the video down below where I wear this one, and I just think these purples are so pretty. And this is what mine looks like. It's broken. And let me just kind of get close so you can see. I mean, you can tell it's a well-loved palette. It's such a beautiful neutral palette. And you know, I don't really do too many crazy looks with it. I mean, you could if you want to do a beautiful, you know, evening look with these beautiful shades here, but I usually just stick with the lighter shades and, you know, just do a real quick neutral daytime look. Now, I did get my friend that I'm gifting this to, I did get her a set of different brushes, but I am using my absolute favorite brushes. This one right here, these are BK Beauty brushes. I don't know if they're back in stock yet, but if you watch Lisa J, which I'm sure you guys already do, she was so kind to send me both sets of the face and the eyes. I absolutely love these so much. I'm gonna do a whole nother tutorial and show you the brushes that I absolutely love. There are a couple that I have. I'll just show you real quick. This one right here, it's dirty. I need to wash it, but this one, I don't even use it for my foundation. I saw Lisa do it in one of her videos, and I do a liquid blush with this. Oh my gosh, it airbrushes it and just makes it look so beautiful. This is the other one that I love. This is her powder brush. I mean, look at this. This is just so whispery soft. These are beautiful. There are other brushes on the market that they're super soft, but her brushes, because I'm not a makeup artist, and there's something about her brushes that make my makeup look airbrushed. Even my husband, which is weird, he doesn't notice a lot of things except for when he likes something on my lips. But he notices that my skin looks better, and it's not necessarily my skincare, it's the way her brushes help me to apply my makeup. So especially if you're not a makeup artist, you need to get these brushes because you can kind of like mess it all up, but the brushes kind of fix it for you. So I'm not gonna do a full review of this eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna use this one in my crease. I'm probably gonna put this one, it's kind of like a light shimmer. This is a matte, by the way. I'm gonna put this one on my lid, and I might just use this one as eyeliner. I mean, really, really simple. I also got her 2 brow products. I got her the NYX Micro Brow, and this one for her is in the shade Taupe. Oops, because she's got like a blondish brown hair. And then I also got her, I had one of these samples, an extra one that I hadn't used. This is for your brows. It's like a brow, you brush it on. And then I'm going to use the same ones. I'm going to use the Micro Brow Pencil, and I think this one's called Ash Brown, and then I'm going to use this one by Benefit. For mascara, I got her the Milani Highly Rated. I absolutely love this mascara. I've already bought a couple of them, so this is the one that I'm gonna apply today. This makes my lashes look so long and full and just wispy, but I do have long lashes because I do use a lash growth serum, and I'll link the one that I love down below. But this stuff, I mean, why even spend $20 to $30 at Sephora or Nordstrom for a mascara when the drugstore has some of the best formulas for mascara that I've ever tried? And then I got her all of these lip products. One from Rimmel that I think is so pretty. I didn't bring this one with me, but it's like a beautiful, kind of like a raspberry color, and it has a hint of a shimmer in it. And then I got her 2 Wet n Wild ones. This is one of my favorites that I shared on my Instagram, and I think I've shared this in a video a while back. This one is called Secret Muse, and it's just a beautiful creamy mauve-y pink color. It looks beautiful on any skin tone. And then I also got her this lighter one, like if she wanted to put a pop of a lighter shade in the center. And this one is called, I can't tell it, I think it's like a pinky frost, like a pinky peach frost. So this is really pretty by itself too. I got her one of my favorite NYX lip liners. This is the one I'm gonna put on today. And I got her my favorite Milani lip gloss, and this is a lip plumping gloss, but it doesn't really plump my lips. It's just extremely shiny and beautiful. And I got her this shade. It doesn't look this color on. It just kind of gives you a beautiful iridescent shimmer to your lips. And then I got her 2 of my favorite NYX butter glosses. Oh, you guys, butter glosses, these should be so much more expensive than they are. These are the best. I got her the shades Creme Brulee and Angel Food Cake. Now I like a lot of the shades, but these were 2 favorites that I thought would kind of be neutral enough that she would like. I'm not gonna try all those lipsticks on because I didn't bring all of them, but 2 that I did bring of my own. I brought the Angel Food Cake and I brought the lip liner by NYX. It's not gonna match my shirt, but just so you can see how pretty it is. And then I also got her a pencil sharpener for the lip liner. I love these Revlon sharpeners. If you feel like your lip liners aren't working good, just get a new pencil sharpener. This is so cheap. I love this one for all of my lip liners. And I didn't get her this, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on right now just to kind of blot some of my shine and kind of smooth out my pores. This is one of my favorite products by Mally Beauty. And that's it. So these are some of my absolute favorite makeup products. If you guys want to see me do something a little bit more of an evening look, I can do that in another video as well. But this was just a basic daytime look, just to kind of show you that you could pretty much give this makeup to anyone, even if it's a young girl or someone who doesn't wear a ton of makeup or someone who does like to wear really intense, or darker evening makeup. So I think all of these makeup products perform just as good, if not better, than a lot of my high-end makeup products. So that's why I think this would be a really nice gift to give somebody, especially if you put it in this nice little makeup bag, whether they're a beginner or if they're experienced. I think it's a great gift because not only is it affordable makeup, it's really good quality makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this video, I hope you will give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel but you would like to be, just look down below and make sure you do tap on that subscribe button. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.